Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs. Welcome to my fans on TV. It's the Betway Premiership. Kaizer Chiefs 1, Sekhukhune 3. I'm joined by Izinja Zase States.
Hola, Steve.
Montebe. Ashe Montebe.
Sizothola ukuphumula man.
Yeah, no
Clean sheet FC.
Yeah.
Besibambe ngamawashini. Sesizolala ke manje. Yabona uThinkla.
Yeah.
Create a noise reduction
In the country.
Yezwa makuthi kuthuleke mnandi kanjani.
Very quiet.
Exactly.
Yeah, this is what we need.
Exactly.
Yeah,
But yeah, coming to the game, Miami, it was a beautiful game.
Sure.
It was a game ukuthi wonke umuntu uyazilengela. Siyabonisana ukuthi ubani clever.
Yeah.
So it was Lulu number 1. You understand? Sekhukhune. Yo. Ngicela ngojersey number 3.
Emuva.
Ngicela ngojersey number 25.
Sure.
Ulitlapa noNdlovu. Ala machita apusha mfethu.
Mnandi.
Uyabona ulitlapa nje yami the awareness.
Yeah.
Timing yakhe.
Yeah.
He knows when to attack.
Yeah.
He knows when to approach whoever that is coming ngebhola.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
Same applies to uNdlovu
Yeah.
naye. Amachita they were so exceptional lapha emuva.
Yeah.
Bebayibambe kamnandi. Ulilepo akabonanga nix.
Yeah.
Yabona ulilepo mfethu ngike ngasho ngathi ulilepo noMonyane le combination yabo.
Sure.
Izobulala amateam amaningi. But then na into enzakalayo. Seyifike to a point whereby ulilepo udependa kuMonyane manje. Ulilepo needed a Monyane today because of Ross labe angamniki lento uMonyane amnika yona. If ungakhumbula kahle during the game he had to swap a position because ulitlapa abekambambe ngamawashini
Too much.
bengangambhekeli, so he had to change a position adlale kule position la azo compliment wakhona uMarco and uMarco wamcomplimenta kamnandi. It was just unfortunate ukuthi azange apope athole goal. You understand? But then ibhola lakhe leli bekalidlala kule side leli athanda ukudlala kulo noMonyane alifani naleli alidlala emaseka no Marco.
Sure.
It was an improved football.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
But then coming to Sekhukhune foot. Sekhukhune man first half they were just playing a helicopter football. Like angazi ukuthi bazweni ngeChiefs name.
Yeah.
But then bewadlala a helicopter football which I understand ukuthi bayithatha phi leyo. You understand? Size ngapha kuChiefs. Uyabona sometimes they always say ukuthi ungayimoshi into engaphukanga.
Injalo.
You understand? Ukwinika there was no reason ukuthi ukwinika bamhlalisa ngaphandle.
True that.
Ukwinika he's a leader nje. Sometimes you don't need umuntu ukuthi perform grounding. You just need a leader.
Yeah.
You understand? Ukwinika is a leader. Ukwinika makakhona grounding, he communicates. Uyakhuluma, he fights. You understand? He motivates. You understand? And uMcCarthy angithi akadlali. You understand? But then ubuya ku injury. Then unokwinika who's been performing in his absence. You understand? So according to me bengizothi mina ukwinika bakaqhubeke negame. You understand? Phela manje suku competition. You understand? So like uSekhukhune ashilo not so long ago ukuthi what are you saying to ukwinika mawuzomthatha umbeke ngaphandle same time untwana makabuya. You understand? We are using anything in show. So igame imnandi. Igame inswembu. iChiefs eCenter khona into manje kumele ilungiswe. We remember ukudlala iBafana ngayikhuluma ngoObas noMokwena. The very same thing that happened is happening la kuChiefs. we have 2 players who are playing the very same football.
Yes.
We have Ox. We have Ondlovu.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
They are playing the very same football. Mawabafaka boyi-2, then ukhathaza uSerena. Because manje wenzani umenza ukuthi ashaye overtime nge manje.
Wow.
You understand? Which izogcina yenze njani? Izokufaka ku position yokuthi untwana asheshe akhathale.
Sure.
Uyayibamba lento engizama ukuyichaza. So yeah, it was a beautiful game. Due to isikhathi nokuthi vele yithi vele sele ngizoyikoba lapho. My man of the match nje ayamne. uMagwaza ukusho garage uMagwaza ukwazile ngiyavuma ushayile 2 goals ne mara mina man of the match yami nginika ugoalkeeper weSikhukhune nje yami.
Yeah.
That guy kodwa kabuhlungu.
Yeah.
Mfethu liyamtshida lo he was so exceptional kule game yavandag.
Sure.
Ara Sithibo ngiyayikhoba nje yami.
Thank you Njazama. Mtshebe.
Mina into engayisho ngithi happy birthday to Dash.
Yeah.
Station.
That's it.
Phela.
Happy birthday to Dash.
Phela ngihappy ngontwana.
Sabushana manje vandag.
No, ngihappy ngontwana.
Uza kuphi?
No, ngihappy ngontwana phela.
Awe, cha. Njazama.
Akubona le bathu ba.